Creating a budget is simple. It's a simple process that helps you manage your money, and here's how to do it. Now, gather your income. Number one, write down all sources of your income, like allowance, job earnings, or gifts. The total amount of money you have to work with, okay? Number two, you list your expenses. Make a list of all your regular expenses. This includes things like snacks, games, school supplies, activities. Don't forget about occasional costs like birthday gifts, outings, everything. Jot it all down. Number three, categorize expenses. So group your expenses into categories such as needs like food and school supplies, and wants like, video games, treats, whatever you do at your age. Number four, set spending limits. Decide how much money you can spend in each category. Don't you want a pillow of money? It's never going to happen if you don't do this, ever. Make sure that your total expenses don't exceed your income, unless somebody gives it to you. Number five, track your spending. So basically, you got to keep a record of what you spend throughout the month. This is going to help you see if you're sticking to your budget, okay? Now, number six, adjust as needed. At the end of the month, review your budget, and if you overspend in some areas, think about how you can adjust next month. With these steps, you're going to have a clear budget that helps you manage your money wisely. So you want to invest. Once you understand the power of compound interest, that money makes money, there's no going back. And I wish I learned this sooner, but now I know.